Hi guys and welcome to Lawn Rescue. Today is a kind of a special one because I'm in Mandalay Gardens. It's Gardens, boy? I think it's Mandalay Gardens in Arima, and it's a really lovely development inside of here. But I'm passing here every day, and the very first property as you enter Mandalay is actually the site office. It's the office for inquiries and from the base from which they manage the community and that kind of thing. And the lawn here is in a state. It is in a mess. So this is the lawn over here. Now this is supposedly a Zoysia turf lawn. I can tell it's a Zoysia turf lawn. I'm seeing Zoysia grass in it. But oh my God, this has a whole pasture in it as well. There's everything here. There's Fibrostylus, there's Oxalis, there's doveweed, there's Alizicapus vaginalis, there's tamari, Mimosa pudica, and all other kinds of little miscellaneous things. So, in coming to do the project, we were supposed to introduce ourselves to the office and just get some guidelines, answer some questions and different things like that. And I didn't do that. So I did this morning, 2 weeks into the project. And I told her, you know what? I'm going to fix your lawn. We're going to put your lawn on the lawn rescue program. And so that's what I'm doing right now. So we're gonna start off. It's not the best of days. It's kind of rainy. We're supposed to be on orange alert, but they seem to be not too bad. And yeah, now there are some gaps. There are some gaps here. I'm not seeing any Zoysia grass. There's a whole patch of Modania nudiflora right here, which is doveweed, and I'm not seeing any Zoysia in between there. So I don't know if we're going to have to replant some grass in some areas. But for the most part, there's grass, so it's salvageable. There is a lot of Fibrostylus, SP, and hopefully we have enough leaf area on them to get them poisoned and get them out. All right, let's go. I'm back at the Mandalay office house, right? And we're not doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. After the first treatment, we're seeing a lot of the weeds are really under stress right now. Sometimes, well, especially for the sedges and so on, it takes a while for the impact of the treatment to be demonstrated. But I think we're seeing it here with the doveweed and so on. It takes a long while as well, but we're starting to see them yellowing, and we're seeing things bowing, and even the tamari, Mimosa pudica and so on are feeling it. But we're going to make sure they really feel it, because now we're going to apply a second dose. It's been just under a week since you will have come here last time. I think last time we came here on a Friday, and today is the following Thursday. So it's just about a week, and we're going to apply a second treatment, and we're still going to have 1 or 2 more to do after this, right? So, because this is a serious situation, there's everything under the sun here, but we're going to deal with it. And then of course we have to do the treatments, the drenches for the seed killer and those kind of things. So, let's go. Okay guys, so I made a quick stop back here at the Mandalay office building, and it's looking really good compared to when we would have first treated it. I've treated it here twice already, and mainly I've been treating for broadleaf weeds because there were a lot of sedges and so on in here, because in here it's kind of wet, waterlogged. We've had a lot of rain this year, and so that's what the main issue was. So 90% of the weeds are gone. It is really clear of most weeds, and what we have left is a few, I think that's a I'm not sure what this is, right? And we have a lot of oxalis. There's oxalis throughout the whole thing. And so all we have to do is deal with the oxalis and we'll be good to go. You know, I don't think we did a seed killer here. And so I think that'll be a clincher with the oxalis. So we have to treat the oxalis and do a seed killer. And I think we'll be fine with this. So I actually just treated the oxalis, so the seed killer will be outstanding. So I'll get to that. But yeah, the sad thing is that in this lawn, there were a lot of places there were a few places that were 100% weeds, and there was no turf in there. And so as we would have gotten rid of the weeds, we had just have bare ground. And I think I would have talked about this last time when I treated here. So we could probably look into filling those patches with grass. I am doing this for free, but you know, no point in starting something if you're not going to finish it. Still not promising. I'm still not promising, right? But it's coming along. It's coming along swimmingly. This is December. We're heading into the dry season next month. Supposedly, I don't know what's happening with climate change, but yeah. So let's see how it goes. We continue to work on this one.